AI is changing the world at a speed no one could have imagined. But beneath the cutting-edge technology, the convenience, and the innovation, there's a darker side, one that doesn't get nearly enough attention. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to reveal the hidden dangers of artificial intelligence and the chilling ways it could shape our future. First, let's talk about jobs. AI is automating industries faster than we can prepare for. Customer service, writing, even software development, roles we thought were untouchable are being replaced by machines. Why? Because AI doesn't need breaks, vacations, or paychecks. Some say new jobs will replace the old ones, but here's the truth. Millions are being left behind, forced to reskill or face unemployment. What happens when the pace of automation outstrips our ability to adapt? Next, privacy. AI-powered facial recognition systems are tracking us in more ways than we'd like to admit. From cameras on the street to your digital footprint online, corporations and governments are collecting more data about you than ever before, and without your consent. It's not hard to imagine a world where AI surveillance becomes the ultimate tool for control. Then there's the chaos of misinformation. Deepfakes, those eerily realistic AI-generated videos, can make anyone say or do anything. Combine that with AI-written propaganda, and we're staring down an era where truth is nearly impossible to separate from fiction. When you can no longer trust your own eyes or ears, who controls the narrative? And let's not forget AI's deadliest application, war. Autonomous drones and AI weapons can already decide life and death without a human in the loop. Military AI advances are outpacing regulations, and the thought of machines making wartime decisions is as terrifying as it sounds. Finally, AI comes with its own set of biases. Remember, these systems learn from data that's often imperfect or outright discriminatory. Biased algorithms have already shown prejudice in hiring, sentencing, and policing. Without careful oversight, AI has the power to amplify human injustice on an unprecedented scale. But here's the thing, AI isn't inherently evil. It's a tool. It can revolutionize industries, solve global problems, and improve lives. The question is, who controls it? Without proper regulation, without oversight, we risk losing control of a technology designed to serve us. What do you think? Is this future inevitable? Or can we take the steps needed to ensure AI helps humanity rather than harms it? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that challenges the way you see the world.